Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Shaik Babji. In this session we are going to learn a different topic, 10 plus different ways to say disagreeing in English. Here I am going to give you some phrases which can be used instead of disagreeing. Let's see what they are. The first one is I don't think so. The first one is I don't think so. And the next one, I beg to differ. I beg to differ. I beg to differ. The third one, I am not convinced. I am not convinced. I am not convinced. And the fourth one, I see it differently. I see it differently. The fifth one is no way. No way. And the sixth one, I totally disagree. I totally disagree. I totally disagree. And the seventh one is, I don't think that's quite right. I don't think that's quite right. And the eighth one is, that's not how I see it. That's not that's not how I see it. Ninth one is, I am afraid I don't agree. I am afraid I don't agree. I'm afraid I don't agree. And the next one is, I'm afraid I have to disagree. I am afraid. I'm afraid I have to disagree. And the next one is, I don't share that opinion. 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 These are the different ways to express disagree. Let's say once again, I don't think so. I beg to differ. I am not convinced. I see it differently. No way. I totally disagree. I don't think that's quite right. That's not how I see it. I'm afraid I don't agree. I'm afraid I have to disagree. I don't share that opinion. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. And please share this video with your friends and like this video and comment your view in the comment section. Thank you. Thank you once again.